Hey, what's up guys? Dark Laws here with the 6th episode. Happy Wednesday. We are running the state police. As I said, I would do a state patrol episode. We're running this ghosted 2011 Crown Victoria. Looks really nice, by the way, I thought I'd say. Take a look at the detail. This is a J. Cook Grand vehicle. His packs will be linked in the description. Other than that, let's go ahead and pop off 10-8. Dispatch, show me 1041, 10-8. Looks like lighting. Oh shit, BLLO!
Dispatch! Suspect in a car!
Man, you can't even get me 5 seconds in on fucking patrol. Control, show me a pursuit of a vehicle.
Northbound, driving MTL Pounder on Great Ocean Highway. All units remain on alert.
Dispatch, we got eyes on the target. Moving to engage.
Oh, fuck me, Jesus.
Backup needed on Great Ocean Highway.
Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight.
You really love these stars.
Assistance needed. 07 Boy Ida A251. Target reported heading north, doing 60 miles per hour on Great Ocean Highway.
That spike's real effective. Get out of the vehicle! Shit. Here.
Show yourself. Nowhere to go.
You're not going anywhere!
Give it up. Where do you think you're going?
Scheiße!
You're not going anywhere.
Dispatch.
Dispatch!
Faces,
Suspect is on foot! I repeat, suspect is on foot!
At this point, it'd be better just to terminate it. Again, some callouts do glitch out like that, which is it's not really.
We have a 503 on Route 68.
Copy that. Moving right now.
What the hell is that? Dispatch on scene was stolen.
All units northbound, driving Phantom on Route 68. All units stand by.
Dispatch, suspect on foot. Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight.
Oh, get your bitch ass down. Put your fucking
Police!
hands up.
Dispatch! Suspect is on foot!
Let's roll.
You sorry piece of
Man, I
crap!
fucking hit him so hard.
LSPD! Don't make me shoot ya!
Fuck you, fool.
Man, fuck, I hit him so hard as fucking
Target left seen
You ain't
heading
never
south
getting out of
on foot
prison.
on
Move the fuck
Great
on.
Ocean Highway.
Jesus. Get fucked.
Good lord. Let's try to get this damn truck out of the road first.
Tow truck. Assistance required in Lago Zancudo. Tow truck. Assistance required in Lago Zancudo. Tow truck. Assistance required on Route 68.
Alright, boss, go and hop up here. I'm gonna pat you down. You have a thing on you, supposed to poke or hurt me? Oh, fuck. Hell. Harry. Alright, let's go ahead and hop on the heads here.
That is messed up.
Harry McGurgatroyd, I think that's it. And his license expired, so we're gonna hit him for the rest. We're gonna do felony, which is flamer 52 LL. This little so it's gonna be a misdemeanor, so you've seen an accident 3 times, I think, or twice. Reckless driving. No, I'm sorry. Flanger attempt to elude Elio twice and got without license. Alright, so do I transports the fuck out of here.
Assistance required in Lago Zancudo. Attention all units. We've got a traffic alert on
I can't
Route
even get
68.
to that. I don't
10-4. We have medical aid requested on Great Ocean Highway.
Traffic. Boss. Yeah, never mind. He's
All units, a pedestrian struck by a vehicle on Great Ocean Highway.
Roger that. We're on our way. You hit my fucking car!
Control should be on scene of a pedestrian hit.
Backup required on Great Ocean Highway.
Dude, what the hell? Look at your ID first and
Get
foremost. Yeah.
Copy that. Taking a look.
Thanks.
Alright, Jack Peterson. What happened? It wasn't me, I just broke down.
Time to get busy. There's still hope.
He has to be.
No way.
We're still up. Alright, still like this. Jack
I'm
Peterson.
on it.
Alright. Alright, Haas, you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving on a suspended
You're under
license.
arrest, you
You're
piece
also
of
under
crap.
arrest for vehicular assault, assault with a deadly weapon. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you're going to afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by State San Andreas. Do you understand these rights as they're given? I'm gonna pat you down. Everything on you, school stick poker hurt me. Alright, you have pistol, just an illegal firearm. Alright.
I got you.
Alright, let's go to our PED section. We're gonna go ahead and go to the arrest section. We're gonna go to assault and then vehicular assault, felony traffic, leading to an accident, unlawful possession of an automatic. Hit it with that.
Tow truck. Assistance required on Great Ocean Highway. Assistance required on Great Ocean Highway.
And this has been one hell of a situation tonight. Alright. Woo! He's going nice and fast. That's probably about. I'll go for 5. They still get good. Control, show me on a traffic stop. Head on, boss. I'm talking to you today for speed. You're going about 5 or 10 over. Any reason for the speed tonight?
Appreciate it.
Alright. Go ahead and sit tight while I run your information. 63 WAS. Fugitive expired insurance, so that's going to be one of the charges he's going to be receiving. Kevin McCabe. Marcus. Alright, well. He's the driver. That's the vehicle that's registered to him, and he's the driver of the vehicle. So he's gonna be getting a insurance first of all. Outdated. And then we're gonna also get him for speeding. Oh fuck. Here we go. Yep.
Wait up!
Whatever.
What the hell are you getting out of your car for?
Wow! Hold up!
Here's the ticket from Computer Lights. 225. Alright, you're good to go when I turn my lights off.
All right,
Have a good day.
off you go!
Unbelievable.
10-4. Citizens reporting a disturbance in Chumash.
Copy that.
Units
Moving right
respond
now.
code 2. 15. Units respond code 3.
Sector 13, currently heading to the location.
Oh, you called 911? Yes, sir, I did.
You're covered. Move!
This guy's talking to me. I feel very uncomfortable. He's been stalking me for a month. He's always standing there staring at my house. How you doing, boss? What are you doing here? Waiting for a friend. Why you been contacting me?
We are code 4. No further units required.
Oh, man! Wait up! Wow! Hold up!
Alright, get out of here.
Go on!
Ay, Diosito, hombre.
Control shifts in code 4.
They like my script? Yeah, no shit. We can change that.
Attention all units. We've got a suspicious vehicle in the Spoochie Canal.
Y'all good then?
Roger that. We're on our way.
We're out. Patrol, give me RA down here, possible OD.
Ambulance. Assistance required in the Spoochie Canals.
There it is! Don't die on me! There's nothing we can
Fuck,
do.
what was it?
Why'd we even show up?
10-4. Is medical aid required?
Shot by a firearm. Fuck. Like oxygen. Oh shit.
Tow truck. Assistance required in the Spoochie Canals.
Alright, dispatch this into 4. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and end the episode off here. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope you have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. You guys take care. God bless.